One more time. Rotating standing thigh in a way, it's pushing your rib cage and chest forward. So you see now we not just rotate, we also have this direction forward. Chest and rib cage going forward, heel lift, and then we feel here like we are falling, and our leg is catching our body weight on two ball of the feet, and then heel gradually start going down. Of course, we later can play with it, send the heel faster, or exaggerate your chest, or exaggerate that rotation, but this is the basic understanding how one movement become another, become next, and next, and next. So it's like a chain reaction happening in your body again. So you rotate your standing thigh in a way it's pushing your chest forward. So you rotate, pushing you forward, heel goes up to push you forward, and then you're falling, you catching your body weight on the ball of the foot in this high position. Okay? So now from here, your spine, this part, if I put my arm here, your spine continues forward, and as it continues forward, heel lands. That's why when we land our heel, there should be absolutely no sound, because we still have this absorption. So one more time. Number one, rotate your thigh. Number two, chest rib cage forward. Number three, heel up. Number four, ball of the foot catching your weight in this high position. Very good. Now from here, you continue turning your thigh and spine continue forward, and the heel goes down. The next one, you continue turning the thigh and spine start pushing forward. And same time as the spine moving, pushing forward, the pendulum is changing till here. So one more time. Stage number one, you rotate your standing leg, standing thigh. Stage number two, chest and rib cage out. Thigh, chest out, heel up. Now we land on ball of the foot. Now from here, we continue turning the thigh as our spine continues. Heel goes down. Now from here, we continue turning the thigh and our spine continue. But same time as our spine continue, our pendulum is changing. So this is how many things happen just before walk and during the walk. We're not even touched what happens after. So again, rotating thigh with the chest forward. Rotate thigh, chest forward, heel up, land on ball of the foot. Keep changing, keep rotating your standing thigh. Heels lands, because we wanted that heel as soon as possible, but still with the absorption. Now you see this back leg, it's still gonna turn. The thigh is not dead there. It's still turning. As much as it's turning now, our spine continue forward, and as our spine moving forward, our pendulum changes. So this will be the deepest moment of your Rumba walk, there. Now from here, imagine like somebody put the finger here in your tummy. You go in, and you start rotating your thigh without bending this leg. So you go tummy in, rotate that thigh without bending the leg. And as you feel your thigh start to rotate, this leg start to come in under your body. And from here, we repeat process the same. So one more time, this is quite, of course, complex explanation, but it has every single chain reaction what's happening in your body. So here we are rotating our thigh, chest rib cage going forward, heel up on the standing leg. So even just doing this, it's already incredible exercise. You rotate your thigh, chest forward, heel up. Just doing this, it's already will be a great preparation, because when you dance your choreographies, and this is for every movement technique. Let's say if you're only focusing on the rib cage, maybe you have the best rib cage, but then you forgot to turn your leg. Or some people, they turning their leg, turning their thigh, but there is nothing happen here. Or some people, they, for example, using their feet, they push from the feet, but then there is no body actions. So I believe that it has to be a combination and correct chain reaction. So for me personally, I start rotating my thigh, and that's activate my rib cage. Or if I'm focusing on the rib cage, I always think to turn the thigh same time. So for you guys, you have to think, rotate your thigh, rib cage forward with the heel up. So already I have this kind of controlled falling feeling. Now from here, As this thigh rotates, ribcage forward, I'm falling, boom, catching my body weight through the ball of the foot, just for a small second. Now from here, your thigh keep rotating, spine moving forward. In this part, heel goes down. So that's how our rhythm will be, boom. But of course with the absorption. But now you notice my hip is very high. So what I'm gonna do next? We don't wanna push from the feet too much. So we're gonna keep turning the thigh, but here the key from this moment is will be this part of your spine, this upper part of your spine, which you have to start taking forward, and that will be combined with the pendulum change, same time. So this part of the spine moving forward with the pendulum change, and this will be your deepest Cuban motion movement. Now from here, guess what? Spine is not stopping. This part of the spine gonna continue moving forward. Why? Because I'm start turning the thigh, the standing thigh of this leg. So as I turn the thigh, I turn it again in a way, it pushes my spine with my rib cage and chest forward, but same time I'm not bending this leg yet. As I start turning the side, this leg is straight. Now from here, as I cannot turn anymore, I release that leg and this knee bending. So now I'm in this falling position for my next walk. So this is a complete rumba walk formula how to dance. So let's I try to demonstrate connect for you.